are you, teacher? This is chapter 6 and week 8, working with strings, and this is chapter 6. And last week I discussed about the chapter 5. Yes, this chapter focused on string manipulation in SQL. Keep in mind that SQL is not designed to perform complex string manipulation, and you can find working with strings in SQL to the cumbersome and frustrating at times. Despite SQL's limitations, there are some useful builds in function provided by the different DBMS, and we try to use them in creative ways. This chapter in particular is representative of the message we tried to convey in the introduction. SQL is the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hopefully, you take away from this chapter a better appreciation for what can and can't be done in SQL when working with strings. In many cases, you'll be surprised by how easy parsing and transforming a string can be, while at other times you'll guessed by the kind of skill that necessary to accomplish a particular task. This is just a text for understand. Walking a string. This is the first problem. Problem is you want to traverse a string to return each character as a row, but SQL lacks a loop operation. For example, you want to display the ename king from table EMPS as for rows, where each row contains just characters from king. Solution like this, discussion like this. Counting the occurrences of a character in a string. Actually, this chapter is more easier than the last chapter, and this is all of the chapter 6. Thank you for your attention, teacher. Goodbye.